Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi everyone! My name is Julia binti Johari. My studio ID is 2023 368 and 479 and I am from class N4 CS 241331. In this video, I'll be presenting my assessment 2 for Calculus 3, which is a lab assessment. This assessment is in rectangular coordinate in 3 space. So I am going to use MAT491 software to complete my assessment 2. So there is two set of question here, which is set B and also set A. But for today, I am going to do set B. But first thing first, let us open our MAT491 software. Then for the set B, the question asks us to plot the following surfaces using either of the two options for plotting, either to use a plot 3D or implicit plot 3D, and hence name the surfaces. So for the first question A, the equation given is C is equal to 2 minus x to the power of 2. Can you guys guess the surface? If no, let's take a look and let me show you how to do this question in MAT4. So first of all, before we start anything, you need to give the comma restart so that it can clear all the past history. And make sure you are in a Math worksheet. Then you can type restart. Then after that, you need to identify whether this equation is an implicit or explicit. By looking at this equation, we will get an explicit part. So we need to use the command of explicit part, which the keyword here is plot 3D. After that, define our equation with type f is equal to 2 minus x to the power of 2. So there is the output here. Then we can continue with the command plot 3D. So just type plot 3D, f, comma x, and here you can put any range that you like. Let's say I am using 2 as my range. So I will put -2 to 2, y, -2 to 2. Then enter. So we will get a parabolic cylinder. We also can use implicit plot 3D for this question. And let me show you how to do this. So always start with a restart. So we can type restart here. Then the keyword for an implicit plot is implicit plot 3D. Then after that, we need to type with plots. With a colon. After that again, we define our equation with type f is equal to 2 minus x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 2, then click enter. So this is the output. Then continue with implicit plot 3D. Set is equal to f. We define by our f with set. So we put z is equal to f. Then x equal to, so we can put the range. Let's say I put here is x equal to -2, 2, and z -2, 2, and y also -2, 2. The range is depend on you. You can put whatever you want and then click enter. So same, we get the surface of a parabolic cylinder. What if we want to put a title? So if you want to put the title, you can add on here, type title is equal to parabolic cylinder, then click enter, then you have your title, parabolic cylinder. So now let's move on to the second question. The equation given here is 3x plus 2y plus 5z is equal to 7. If you are looking at this question, this is a type of implicit plot. So we can straight away use the command of the implicit plot. So first of all, as usual, type freestype. Then we can type with plots. Third, we write the command by using implicit plot 3D. So implicit plot 3D, 3x plus 2y plus 5z is equal to 7. In this equation, I will put the range of 7. So x is equal to -7 and 7, y is equal to -7 and 7, z is equal to -7 and 7. Then enter. We will get a plane. In addition, if you look at our output here, the plane is inside the box, right? What if we want it to be normal? So I will write the command here, which is axis is equal to normal. And because I already know the title is a plane, so I just put the title of plane here. Then we have our plane with a title and also the axis to be normal. Next, we go to the third question. This time, the equation given here is x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2 plus z to the power of 2 is equal to 4z. We also get the implicit plot for this equation. So let us do this equation. Of course, you need to type this type. Then, as usual, type with plot. After that, type implicit plot 3D and put your equation here. Implicit plot 3D, x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2 plus z equals to the power of 2 is equal to 4z. And this time I use my range to be 2. X is equal to 2 and 2, y is equal to -2 and 2. But z here, I'll put the range to be 0 and 4. Then click enter. So we will have the sphere here. If you don't like the color of the surface, we also can change it. So just like we do just now, and now we only add color. You can put any color you want. Let's say I choose yellow. So I'm just typing color and change to yellow. Of course, I will also put the title and axis here so that you won't forget how to do it. So title to be sphere and the axis is normal. So here we will get our sphere. So now let's move on to the last question. So this time we have x to the power of 2 plus z to the power of 2 is equal to 9. This is also the implicit plot. And I think from this equation, you guys can already guess the surface, right? But just to make sure that your answer is correct, so I will show you in Maple here. So first thing first, enter restart. Then type with plots. And type implicit plot 3D and enter the equation. So implicit plot 3D, x to the power of 2 plus c to the power of 2 is equal to 9. And I will put my range here is 3. So x is equal to -3 to 3, c is equal to -3 to 3. And for the y here, I will choose 6 as my range. -6 and c. As simple as that, you will get this circular cylinder. So as usual, I will put the title on my surface so that I can differentiate it easily. So title, circular cylinder, axis to be normal, and the color is gray. So actually, if you don't want to type the command, you also can do right click, and here you can see there is a lot of other options that you can use to make your surface more pretty. We have color here, style, access, and more. You can try it on your own later, okay? So I guess all of you can understand on how to plot all the surface by using Mapper software. By that, I think that's all from me, and I hope that everyone enjoyed my tutorial, and I hope that everyone can do this. Thank you for watching, and bye bye!